Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch of a person with an app. First, you'll want to choose the right application. Many excellent apps are available, like Prisma or Be Funky, which offer a variety of artistic filters. Look for one that provides robust sketch effects and allows you to fine-tune details, ensuring you have full creative control over your artwork. This initial choice is crucial for a great outcome. Once your app is ready, the next step is to import your chosen photo. A high-resolution portrait with good contrast often yields the best results, making the conversion process smoother. After importing, head to the Effects or Filters menu. Here, you'll find various sketch options. Apply a preliminary sketch filter, like a pencil or charcoal effect, to get your initial conversion and see the immediate transformation. Now it's time to refine your sketch. Most apps allow you to adjust parameters such as line width, detail, and contrast. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired look, perhaps making lines bolder or softer. You can also use built-in tools to add subtle shading, enhancing the three-dimensional quality of the person's face and clean up any stray marks. Finally, personalize your sketch to make it truly unique. Some apps offer additional brush styles or even options to introduce a touch of color, mimicking a colored pencil effect. Once you are completely satisfied with your artistic creation, save it. Choose a high-resolution format like JPEG or PNG to ensure your digital sketch looks fantastic when shared or printed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.